Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here and today we're gonna play with this palette. I've actually used this palette like one time. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. So yeah, if you want to see what look I create with this palette, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so here's already cool. I actually really like how my curls came out today. Really excited about that. They're all pin up nice, and the palette is actually not a crazy palette. There's a lot going on. She looks like so, and yeah, I think I'm gonna dabble with Cafecito, which is this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna use an E13 from Morphe. Only thing is there's no mirror in here, so yeah. So there is quite a lot of fallout on this, but fallout doesn't really bother me. I just, want to make sure you guys are aware of that. At the end of the day, is for me is this performing, right? That's about it. And this is a M441 from Morphe, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, which is Tropical. This shade. And then we're gonna go into Cocoa Taxi. And it's kind of like I am gonna go back into that brown because it kind of spread out how just dusting this off nicely. And now we're gonna go into, I'm using that same brush to go into Cocoa Taxi, and we just like dust it, like a quick dust. This is more or less just to blend this out. Like so. Now I'm gonna go back into that brown because I feel like I lost some of the brown. Perfect. Now I need some glitter glue, and we're gonna use a T33. I think I'm gonna put like a blue and a silverish goldy shade right there. I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Ruce. It's a concealer brush, but I'm not gonna use it for concealer. I'm actually gonna use Celia, and I'm gonna put Celia like right here. It's a pretty shade. Celia is gonna go right here. Oh, this is lit. I love it. And now I'm gonna go into that lighter shade, which is El Malacon. I think, oh my god, these names are all Spanish, and this girl is not Spanish or even close.
Can you say vamos a pintar? Again! Say vamos a pintar!
And then I think I need a little bit more of Celia. I'm pretty much using the shades I haven't really used. Like so. Now we're gonna go back into that brown. And just kind of like, tap this right here. Just go back and forth. Sometimes you have to do that to get your desired. Perfect. So that's it for this eyes. I'm gonna go off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna talk about this foundation. So let's jump into it. It's make sure you shake before you use, but before we jump into that, let's jump into her. Why not, right? Right now, I'm gonna put a little bit of sunscreen. I'm in Texas, guys, and it is hot, like literally hot. So I'm gonna put a little cream. Oh, and then my sunscreen I'm using is from Supergoop. Supergoop. Oh my god. But yeah, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by me calling this poop. It's actually, I'm in Texas and it's hot. So I'm using my handy dandy blush. Man, look at this. Let me take off my earrings. Like this, I went to Sephora and I skin matched, you know, myself because I'm that good. And I mean, look at this. Like you can't even see where the foundation. Oh my god! I think this might give my my NARS foundation some competition. Like look at this. And by coincidence, your girl have her HD. Well, not HD, but it's also from Makeup Forever, and it is the high coverage concealer. So why not, right? Because sometimes it's better to just use like the same or the products from the same brand. Sometimes it doesn't always work out that way because I may want to try the foundation, not necessarily the concealer. I'm still a very small YouTuber, so I have to, you know, prioritize and see what's more important, and I have to budget accordingly. That is that. Oh, and I already love this concealer, so now let us jump into, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I love this. This is the business. This is a E5 from Morphe, and then you just if you're on my complexion, this shade is 3, but I think they have like 4 shades. I could maybe get away with 2, maybe, but I like my contour a little bit darker. So. And then I'm gonna take whatever's left on here. Because I don't want too much. I think I'm gonna blend my concealer out a little bit because I don't want it to get too dry. Need to bring up another roll of toilet paper. Not toilet paper, paper towel. Okay, I need to have a conversation with myself because, you know, I keep talking about poop. Then now I'm talking about toilet paper.
Jake, get me some nachos.
Paper towel. That's what I want to bring. A paper towel. This is also one of the concealers that can dry pretty quickly, so you don't want to leave it too long. I never really had like really dry under eye to begin with, but I also, you know, figure out you gotta prime. See, and I'm using this from Tula, and it's the Glow Plus Get It. I've actually had this for minutes. I've been using other ones, and I've been using this, and I love it. So with skincare, I am very, very picky. Very picky. My husband also gonna just use whatever skincare I'm using, which is fine. And he is picky, so I have to make sure like whatever I get he's gonna like. Although for the most part he just wants something that lathers a lot, but I try to, like, you know, get my baby good stuff. I'm actually gonna do a little situation with my blush, but I don't want to just put it on my face because I feel like when I do that sometimes it lifts my product, and I don't want to do that. I want to give this foundation like a really, so I'm using this. It's from Live Tint, and it's like you can use it to spot correct, or you could use it for your face as well. So looks like so, and I'm gonna pat it on my blush, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna use this on my blush. But no, I feel like I didn't get any color. I don't know. Let's put some. I've been doing the most. Okay, so we're gonna use this, and this is from Laura Lee, and it's an L11 brush. And just tap this, tap this, tap this. And this blends very well, so you don't have to worry about it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Put this here. And there's no separation, which I love. Okay, let us set under the eye. Okay, I also have my Makeup Forever Ultra HD setting powder. Oh wow. And I can't open it. This is, my hand is slippery. Yeah, I can't open this. This is so hard. Okay, so we're gonna use a different powder. I'm sorry guys, but I've used this a ton on my channel. I can't open it. It's hard.
That's what she said.
Michael, please. Please.
It is like, this thing is so hard. Like, I don't understand why I can't open it. So I'm using my Laura Mercier powder. Okay, I am hot. I'm having a strawberry lemonade. Okay, I'm gonna use my my Sephora Micro Smooth powder to set the rest of my face, and this brush is from Luxie, and it is a 734 powder brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of primer. I primed my eyes before I started the video. It's an eyeshadow base primer from Sigma. I actually got this at Marshall's. Okay, I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs powder, and I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Sigma, and it's an F30 brush. Then we're gonna go on the 5 head first. You know, I tease my sister about her forehead, and honestly, depending on how I comb my hair, I'm like, girl, why are you teasing her? Because your forehead is big too. I tease her and I tease my niece. My niece is so cute. So cute. I know I keep talking about my niece, but you know, my sister doesn't want her baby on the internet, and I perfectly am fine with that. There's too many, like, you know, sick people out there, and she might be putting her kid on the internet innocently, right? And then it's not being used in that way, so I am perfectly fine with that. So yeah, so you guys will just hear me talking about her and don't see her. But she is the cutest little thing. You know, I got to meet her last year in person. She didn't care for me too much, but you know, still love her. That's my baby. I know, since my actual since my actual daughter is grown, oh my god, my daughter is starting college, like, it's crazy. It is crazy that I have a full-blown adult. Is she behaving like an adult? No, but she definitely is one in age. I'm gonna use this Lovecraft Beauty No. 2 brush. I'm gonna use this is J-Cat XBH Cosmetics Prism. This is so like, this is blinding. See guys, I said it was blinded and I still, because I've used this before and I know it's like a lot. It is a lot and I still went in like crazy. I still want him, even if I knew it was gonna be like insane. I still want him. I'm gonna use this blush. This is a M421 from Morphe, and then we're gonna go into the dark brown, and then I'm gonna dust it off a little bit, and then I'm just gonna use Tropico. Just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna put this right here. No, I'm gonna bring the Alamar Cosmetics a little bit. This will work actually. This is Whirlpool and it's also from Marc Jacobs. This is actually from, it's Take Out from Buxom. It's actually a lipstick, but I like to use it as a liner. And I'm actually gonna use this lipstick. This is Seraphine from ABH. Okay, so here's good. You know, I look good. I'm ready to go. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am.